So today we have a Audi A3 here 2016 I think. Check it out later, put in the description. Turn off the radio, just push the button here. Yep. And we have if you can see it, we have some faults. So the battery of the key fob, inspection reached, so need to reset the inspection, and that's with our handy tool. Today we have the Autel MK908P. It plugs in right here, the OBD. Oh, turn on light. The OBD connector is right here, just plug it in. Up. Can do it with any simple tool, but I'll take the MK908P and have it start up. Yep. If you can see it properly. Yep. In the meantime, we'll starting up. I'll fix the key. Just a little handy dandy pocket screwdriver. Just push on the tab right here, and a little bit pops open, and then you can push it a bit further, and it should pop off. Yep. Always be gentle. It's never easy. Yep, there we go. And it pops off. 2032, like the most coarse keys. Made in Indonesia. Interesting. Yep. Don't wait too long to put in the new battery, because it could happen that he forgets the remote control. Yep. It's always the most simple stuff that's getting to you. Oh, come on, just pop in like this. Yep. You have to pop it in, by the way, by pushing back the little springs here and here, if you can still see them. Don't bend them, because that will be a bad day. Oh. So installation is the reverse of taking the parts. So first lock in the tabs over here. The little tab you unlocked with the screwdriver should be last. So it's up, up. No, it doesn't matter actually. Push it in simultaneously. Yep. And there we go. Oh, it still works. Yes. Now, turn on the ignition again. Yep. I'll turn off my lights. Subscription expired, blah blah. We go to diagnosis. Turn off the radio again. And now we search automatically, auto detect. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Yep. Good tool. MK908 Pro. Cabrio Saloon, nope. And we have the 1400s. Let's take out the papers and have a look, just to be sure. Yeah. This is the one we need. This has all the info you need for every car. It's the homologation. It's called here homologation. That's it. So we have the chassis number. We have the date 216. The car roll of out of the factory and got its stamp. And we have the CYV engine in there. So CYV, and it's 1200 cc's. Not right. CYV 1200 CYVB 1200. Yeah, that would be the one. Yep, that's a variant of the CYV. But there's only this option, so it will be good. Yep. Hot functions, it could be in there. Normally it's service, but service reset. Oil reset, but we already did that. That you can do in the car by going to the menu. Wait, I'll go back. So we take car, enter, then you have this button right over here, poof, systems, and then we go to service and control, and the tires, you can reset the tire pressure, reset the oil change interval, and some other things, how many keys there are, blah blah. So that's for, just go in and you can just reset it, whatever. Fairly easy. Then we go to here and we have the inspection reset that we need to find. So is it in this menu? I don't know. Inspection service reset. Oh, oil and inspection. Aha. No, we just have inspection. Service is going to be reset. Successfully reset. Oh yeah. Being service. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So, did we do it? I think it's a success. And we did change the oil, by the way. Of course. Yep, nothing anymore. It's fixed. No key message, no inspection inspection message. So there we go with the Autel MK908P Super tool. See you in the next one.